Hi guys, welcome to my channel NRJ Sharing Knowledge. Hi guys, so today we are going to create the batch script file so that according to that script we can run more than two workflows consecutively. Okay, as I have already said that I am going to create this batch script so that we can run uh, just simply we have to fetch that batch file and it will be running all the script all the workflows as per script. So this is the file which I am going to means this is the path like here see this is the cmd command where I am giving the Alteryx engine cmd.exe where it is installed, so that path we are going to use. Okay, after that I am giving the path where the workflow is saved. Okay, so this is the file. So in this case if you are going to run four files, okay, so we can create this file here, then again here, and here the file name will be changing to. Okay, so in this way we can create 4 5 files like 3 and 4. So with the help of batch script we are going to run 4 files. Okay, means 4 flows, and the first flow see this is the 2. Okay, because in one we are going to execute this batch script. So with the help of first flow we are going to script this batch script, and after that we are going to run the second, third and fourth flows. So in this way we can run sequentially. So this is the script which we can use and run it. Okay, but here I am going to help you with the easy command. Okay, because if you run the workflow and if the Alteryx is going to run this file, so what they will do that again and again they are going to go inside this path, again they are going to run this file, and then they are going to run the second flow. Okay, so in that case just simply what we will do, like here we are giving select bin. Okay, now what will happen after this, it is just going to open cmd command with the help of batch file. Okay, so after going in the cmd command it will take cd, it will open this path, and now it is going to run this Alteryx this file, exe file. Okay, and after that it is going to run this flow. Okay, so now if we take this exe file and just we'll use here, so already opened the path in our cmd file till here. Okay, now just only it will run this exe file and then this flow, against exe file the next flow. So in this way also we can create the batch file, and I just recommend you that please go with this script, it is going to work very fine. Okay, so this is the code guys, you can use it. And also in next video I am just going to teach you that how to surpass our error. Okay, means sometimes what happens that we are creating the workflow. Okay, in that workflow means if we have the 5 workflow, and in the between of this second and third workflow if you get some error, okay, and that error can be surpassed. Okay, means we cannot consider that error as a means it can just stuck our workflow. So in that case if we want to pass that error, so in that way we'll give some command. So in next video I'm going to give that script and you can execute with your workflow. Thank you guys. I hope you liked my videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys.